Welcome back. Now that we can see the seats on, wires zip tied, that's where I placed the horn. Still need to take my grinder and cut off. This is ABS plastic. Couldn't go straight down with the radiator cover grill or whatever it is because the highway bar was in the way, so I had to get creative with that. And the compressor fit nowhere else but on the other side of the radiator cover, which I had to remove. I'm not sure if I'll have that in the video or not. I can't remember. I was so frustrated earlier that it just kind of took me a minute. Everything else is wires ran down. Yeah, you can see those, but that's just zip tied to the LED light. And everything else is pretty much cool. I mean, like I said, on a metric bike, there's nowhere to put anything. There are no available screws of any kind. I didn't want to risk taking anything apart in here as far as screws. Talk about putting that compressor in there. Oh yeah, I forgot. That's where I ran the ground to the compressor right here, up under the bolt that goes on the other side of this highway bar here. So it's all done. Might be some little things I need to do, like maybe put another zip tie right here just to shore that up in there, but it's all done. I guess the next thing you want to know is if it works. Well, hold on. Hold on to your butts. As you can hear, it's not exactly a train horn, but it's more like a Mack truck, dump truck horn, which is fine by me as long as they can hear me and don't run me the hell over. Till next time, in the next video, we'll come back maybe doing something else for a friend of mine's Honda Civic. Like I said, she wants the under body LEDs, you know, going back to the 90s or something. But until then, I've been peace.